いなり甘いの。マフィン、ブルーベリー。
Oh, those are good.
Goldfish? Wasabi?
Oh, Sophie's too old for that now, babe.
うわ、甘そうなの。
But maybe some cosmic brownies. Those are probably so unhealthy though.
な。うわ、サルサが巨大。6ドル。6ドル98。クロワッサン。あ、これもソフィーが好きだったけど、ちっちゃい時。カップケーキ。オッケー、ベジーズ。3ドル98。
Oh, those are huge.
Yeah, 98 cents.
98 cents each.
Yes. 98.
Oh, those are big. My goodness. It's like as big as my hand.
Okay, too. 2ドル98。
Just spinach?
Yes.
Spring
No.
mix.
Spring
Spring
mix.
mix, gotcha.
ミニトメト。3ドル98。
Tomatoes, mini.
トメト。2ドル66。Is this good?
I guess. I mean, if it's hard, just wait till it's ripe, right?
Yeah.
68 cents each. Oh, that's a lot cheaper than other
Yeah.
stores.
Good. Those are big.
Yeah, they are.
Two. Oh, it's okay. Okay, 88. Onion. 1ドル58。
There you go. Boom. First
Oh.
try.
Oh,
Nailed
you're
it.
young. I mean younger.
Yeah.
Younger than me.
You think that's why? I don't think so.
いっぱい。あ、クロコ。
Not here.
Not that one? ソフィーがランチに持っていきます。
Chicken and a biscuit.
What is that?
That is pure sugar.
Yeah.
You basically just pour the sugar in your mouth.
Long.
And that is terrible. Don't get me wrong, I've had them when I was a kid. So bad for you though.
Oh, actually I like this cookie. Yeah, especially raspberry, strawberry, raspberry. I've never had that.
It's not my favorite. Usually raspberry is my favorite. You want to get one?
No, I don't need it.
This is the naughty section. As in we should not get this. Ooh.
Pumpkin.
Sophie's favorite. My favorite.
これは3ドル。これと3ドル48。This is pork?
Yeah, it's a lot of pork. Huh?
Don't touch, don't touch. これで20ドルぐらい。1パックが5ドルぐらいかな。お肉の塊10ドルちょっと。
It's about a good thickness, right?
うん。
It's good.
チキン。 パックが7ドル、8ドルぐらい。これじゃない、こっちだ。モッツァレラチーズ4ドル98。いつものミルク。
We should just get a cow. We don't our own cow.
Yeah. And ヨーグルト。あら。There are no Sophie's favorite. The Chobani one? Not here.
Chobani? They might not carry them as Chobani right there. What flavors? Did she even eat the other one she bought yet? Okay, I like where we're going with this. I like where we're going with this.
Okay, raspberry, strawberry, maybe that one too.
One of each, maybe?
ヨーグルト3ドルちょっと。
You're buying Nancy?
どれこれにしようかな。エッグを。はい。これは3ドル28。
Getting Sophie some salt.
またチップスのコーナー。あ。
I'm already tired of those.
ソルティ。
Okay, what else do we need?
アイスクリーム。
My favorite, Nutella. I like a Nutella.
でもハーゲンダッツ
Oh,
の。
they have your favorite.
いや。
No, they don't. Where are they? Oh,
いや。
nice.
私の好きなのがありました。4ドルぐらい。What's wrong?
That one had a cut in the box. Nice.
Show me.
Our favorite.
バニラ。
Vanilla Swiss almond.
3ドル98。
You want to finish?
So fast. Master.
That's right. That's right.
森。
Okay,
Good.
my favorite banana bread. It's kind of cool. You can make this with like old bananas, you know.
Yeah.
Bananas we don't eat. Maple.
Staring.
She's so serious.
Yeah, staring.
Oh, it's good. Sometimes it gets dry, like when you make it, but this is actually pretty moist. It's good.
Yeah.
I'm not going to give any to the dogs, but can they eat bananas?
Oh, maple. Momo. Very banana.
They can?
No.
Oh, okay.
Because sugar, butter.
No, not the bread. But can dogs eat bananas?
I forgot. I think so. I don't know.
Milk does a body good. That is a commercial they used to make. Milk does a body good. And I live by that. I love my milk. I really love banana bread. I forgot, you know. Do you put nuts in yours?
No.
Oh, some people put nuts.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
pretty good. I don't know what kind of nuts, but I'm pretty sure it's normal.
You want more sugar?
No. Do you think this is too sweet for most Japanese?
I don't think so.
Don't think so? I think it's good. I wonder how much I've changed since we've been together. Like, would most Americans like this sweeter? I don't know. I like it. I think it's perfect. Really. And I'm not just saying that because I'm married to you.
Sophie.
I know. Sylvia's playing games. Sounds like she's getting worried.